At SC Johnson Professional, our mission is to support organizations on their journey to use less, waste less, and recycle more. The world is facing significant global environmental challenges. Organizations like yours and ours have a fundamental responsibility to act as leaders in environmental stewardship and social responsibility. All efforts to be more sustainable are good efforts, no matter how big or small. When combined with a continuous culture for improvement, doing everyday things better can accumulate to make a real difference. At SC Johnson Professional, it is the everyday things that we do. And that's why we want to help you. Enable the people you care for do everyday things better and support you to achieve your sustainability goals. Our sustainability approach is about delivering tangible benefits that empower organizations like yours to make a difference. Through our comprehensive skincare range, trusted cleaning and hygiene products, complemented by our best practice user-focused programs to support you to empower the people you care for to use less, waste less, and recycle more. Our sustainability approach is based on 4 essential elements to support your business. First, it is grounded in science, backed by evidence and data. Second, it provides a custom solution for your environment that support you to create safe and healthy environments for the people you care for in a sustainable way. Third, it impacts through everything we do at every stage of the product journey. Fourth, it provides reassurance for what we do with independent certifications from recognized and trusted organizations for our products and processes. By partnering with us, you can harness our sustainability approach to support your organization to use less, waste less, recycle more. Be part of the journey by reaching out to one of our specialists today to learn more. Use less, waste less, recycle more.